In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy the link of your table in Slack step by step. This is a really useful feature if you're working with Slack Canvas and you want to quickly share a specific table with teammates, link to it in another message, or save it for later reference without scrolling endlessly. A lot of people don't even realize this option exists, but once you know it, it can save you a ton of time. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Slack tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Slack and navigate to the workspace where your content lives. From there, go to Canvas. This could be a channel canvas, a document, or any canvas cage where you've already created a table. Make sure the table you want to link to is visible on your screen. Once you're in the canvas and you can see the table, move your mouse over to the left side of the table. You'll notice a small icon with 6 dots appear. This 6-dot icon is the table handle, and it's what you'll use to access more options for that specific table. Next, click on those 6 dots on the left side of the table. When you click it, a small menu will open with different actions you can take. In that menu, look for the option that says Copy Link to Section. This option is specifically designed to create a direct link to that table or section within the canvas. Go ahead and click on Copy Link to Section. As soon as you click it, Slack will automatically copy the link for you. You'll see a small pop-up message appear on your screen that says something like Link Copy to Clipboard. This confirms that everything worked correctly and the link is now saved in your clipboard. Now you can paste this link anywhere you need. You can paste it into a Slack message to share the table with a teammate, drop it into another canvas, add it to your notes, or even save it somewhere outside of Slack. When someone clicks the link, they'll be taken directly to that table inside the canvas, as long as they have access to the workspace. This makes collaboration much faster, especially when you're working with long documents or multiple tables. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully copied the link of your table in Slack using Canvas. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how efficiently you share information with your team. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tutorials and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.